Have you ever been swept off your feet by love? Have you ever felt your heart skip a beat at the sight of someone special? Love, a force as powerful as gravity, pulls us together. It connects us on a deep emotional level. But what if I told you that love is not just a feeling? It's a complex interplay of chemistry, biology, and evolution. Join me on a journey to explore the science behind this universal human experience. We will delve into the depths of the brain. We will unlock the secrets of hormones and neurotransmitters. We will discover how love has shaped our species. Are you ready to unravel the mysteries of love? Let's embark on this cosmic adventure together. We will see how love, in all its messy glory, is a testament to the wonders of science. We are just beginning to understand the intricate ways in which love operates. Yet one thing is clear: love is a force that binds us all. Love is a drug. It's a potent cocktail of chemicals that floods our brains and bodies, creating a whirlwind of emotions and sensations. Let's meet the key players in this love potion, the chemicals that make us feel so intensely. First up, we have dopamine, often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter. This neurotransmitter is responsible for pleasure and reward, making us feel elated and motivated. Remember that feeling of euphoria when you first fall in love? Thank dopamine for that. It's the reason behind that rush of excitement and joy. It's like your brain is giving you a standing ovation, celebrating every moment of happiness. Next we have oxytocin, often called the cuddle hormone or the love hormone. Oxytocin is released during physical touch and intimacy, strengthening the bond between partners. It promotes bonding and trust, making us feel closer and more connected to our loved ones. When you cuddle with your loved one, your brain is bathed in oxytocin, enhancing feelings of affection and security. Serotonin, the mood regulator, also plays a crucial role in our emotional well-being. Love increases serotonin levels, contributing to feelings of happiness and well-being, making us feel more balanced and content. It's like a warm blanket on a cold night, providing comfort and stability. Now let's talk about adrenaline and norepinephrine, the dynamic duo that adds a spark to our love life. These hormones are responsible for the racing heart and sweaty palms we experience when we're around our crush, making every encounter thrilling. They kick in during the early stages of attraction, adding excitement and a sense of urgency to the mix. These chemicals work in concert, creating a symphony of sensations we call love, each playing its part in this beautiful, complex emotion. They explain why we feel so giddy, so alive, so utterly consumed by this powerful emotion, making us feel like we're on top of the world. But the story of love's chemistry doesn't end there. There are many more layers to uncover, each adding depth to our understanding of this profound human experience. Love, like the universe itself, is not static. It is ever-changing, constantly evolving, and never quite the same from one moment to the next. It's a dynamic process that evolves over time, much like a flower that blooms and grows, revealing new layers and depths as it matures. Scientists have identified three main phases of love: lust, attraction, and attachment. Each phase is distinct, yet interconnected, forming a complex tapestry of emotions and experiences. Lust, the initial stage, is driven by the sex hormones testosterone and estrogen. These powerful chemicals create a surge of desire, compelling us to seek out a partner. It's about physical desire and that primal urge to mate. This stage is raw and instinctual, rooted in our biology and the need to reproduce. Think of it as the spark that ignites the flame. Attraction is next, where the fire begins to burn more brightly. This phase is characterized by intense focus on the object of our affection. Our thoughts become consumed by them, and we feel a magnetic pull towards their presence. We can't stop thinking about them. We crave their presence, their touch, their voice. Every moment apart feels like an eternity. Dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin are the key players here, fueling our infatuation. These neurotransmitters create feelings of euphoria, excitement, and even obsession. Finally, we reach attachment, the stage where love deepens and becomes more enduring. This is where the initial flames of passion transform into a steady, warming glow. Oxytocin and vasopressin, another hormone involved in bonding, take center stage. These chemicals help us form deep emotional connections and a sense of loyalty. This phase is about building trust, intimacy, and a sense of security. It's about creating a life together, sharing dreams, and supporting each other through life's challenges. These phases are not always linear. Love can be unpredictable, and we may find ourselves moving back and forth between stages. We may experience them in different orders, or even simultaneously. Each relationship is unique, and the path of love is rarely straightforward. However, understanding these stages helps us appreciate the complexity of love's trajectory. It allows us to navigate our relationships with greater awareness and empathy. It's a journey of passion, intimacy, and commitment. A journey that, despite its twists and turns, is one of the most rewarding experiences of our lives. The brain in love, a symphony of regions. Love is not just a matter of the heart, it's also a matter of the brain, a complex and intricate dance of neural activity. When we fall in love, specific brain regions light up like fireworks on the 4th of July, creating a dazzling display of neural fireworks. One crucial area is the ventral tegmental area, or VTA, a small but mighty region. This region is part of the brain's reward system, and is responsible for releasing dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter. When we experience something pleasurable, like spending time with our loved one, the VTA is activated, flooding our brain with dopamine. It's like our brain is giving us a gold star for falling in love, rewarding us for our emotional investment. The caudate nucleus, another brain region associated with reward and motivation, also plays a vital role in this symphony. It helps us focus our attention on the object of our affection, making them the center of our world. We become completely captivated by their smile, their laugh, every little detail about them, as if nothing else matters. The hypothalamus, the master regulator of hormones, is also involved in this intricate process. It controls the release of oxytocin and vasopressin, the hormones that promote bonding and attachment, deepening our emotional connections. Love, it seems, is a full-body experience, engaging not just our hearts but our entire being. It engages our brains in complex and wonderful ways, creating a symphony of neural activity that is both beautiful and profound. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of our emotions, hormones, and neural pathways, illustrating the profound impact love has on our entire system. This interconnectedness shows how our emotions and physical sensations are deeply intertwined, making love a truly holistic experience. Each brain region plays its part in this symphony, working in harmony to create the experience of love. From the initial spark of attraction to the deep bonds of long-term attachment, our brains are constantly at work, orchestrating the many facets of love. This unified experience of brain and body reminds us that love is not just an emotion, but a state of being that encompasses our entire existence. Love enriches our lives, making us feel more connected, more alive, and more human. So the next time you feel your heart flutter, remember that it's not just your heart at work, but a symphony of regions in your brain, creating the beautiful experience we call love. Love's evolutionary dance, survival of the most connected. Love is not just a beautiful feeling, it's also a powerful evolutionary force that has shaped our species for millions of years. From an evolutionary perspective, love is all about survival and reproduction. Mate selection, pair bonding, and social cohesion are crucial for the continuation of our species. Love helps us choose compatible partners with whom we can raise offspring. It binds us together in long-term relationships, providing stability and support. It fosters social connections, creating communities and networks of care. Think about it. Infants are born helpless and require years of care to survive. Pair bonding, driven by love, provides the framework for this extended care. It ensures the survival of our offspring and the propagation of our genes. Love, in its many forms, has been essential for our species' success. It's a testament to the power of connection and the enduring drive to survive and thrive. Love in the digital age, from pixels to passion. We live in a world increasingly mediated by technology. From dating apps to social media, technology has transformed the way we experience and express love. Online dating platforms have expanded our dating pools, connecting us with potential partners from all walks of life. They've made it easier to find someone who shares our interests and values. Social media allows us to stay connected with loved ones near and far. We can share our lives, our thoughts, and our feelings with the click of a button. Virtual communication through video calls and messaging apps helps bridge the distance. We can maintain intimacy and connection even when physically separated. While technology presents new challenges, it also offers exciting opportunities for love to flourish in the digital age. It's a testament to our adaptability and our enduring need for connection. The enduring mystery of love. We've traveled deep into the realms of chemistry, biology, and evolution to understand the science of love. We've uncovered the intricate mechanisms that drive our feelings of passion, intimacy, and attachment. But even with all this knowledge, love remains an enigma. The human experience of love is complex and multifaceted. It's influenced by our upbringing, our culture, and our personal experiences. While science can shed light on the biological underpinnings, it can't fully capture the magic, the mystery, the sheer wonder of love. Perhaps that's what makes love so captivating. It's a force that defies easy explanation, a force that continues to surprise and amaze us. So, the next time you feel your heart flutter or your pulse quicken, remember the intricate dance of chemicals, brain regions, and evolutionary forces at play. Appreciate the wonder of this complex emotion.